Oh hey, Dutch with the Bug Wall. I want to show you our magnetic closure screen doors. We offer our screen doors with these rare earth magnetic center closure, and we also offer them with zippers. I do recommend if you order the magnetic that you pull them apart side to side rather than always pushing through them. It's just a better practice to get used to. All our screen doors have zippers on the sides, so you can unzip them and roll them up. Let me show you how that works. Let me set this down. All right, so you're just gonna unzip, You gotta roll them up from the inside. This will prevent any interference with the door. So you'll get used to how you're rolling them up. These magnets are real strong, so they're gonna wanna stick to each other. But we provide these nice YKK clips. They will clip it up in storage mode for when you don't have any bugs, etc. Do the same on this side, and you have a nice opening. Kind of leave your screens in all the time, and I'll show you how fast they deploy when you need them. We're out here in South Carolina in the fall, and right now there are bugs everywhere. So as I'm doing this, I can't wait to get it back down. But go ahead and clip it. So this is kind of like your everyday travel mode, stored out of your way. Notice they're rolled to the inside, so when you shut your door, it doesn't affect your door. Now, as of right now, you need bugs. You just go ahead and unclip them. The magnets might grip to each other, so you kind of have to help these ones down. The zipper doors will just fall straight down. Go ahead and set your zippers. And you are protected. So one other feature I want to share with you. If you're using these doors like this and you have it like this and you're going in and out a bunch, maybe the bugs aren't so bad. Our binding on the outside of these is nice and protective. You are able to just kind of go ahead and give yourself a easy in and out if you don't need it. And then when it's time to get back to protection, you can just drop them on here and good to go. Those are our magnetic doors, and we also offer them in zipper center closure.